No umbrella necessary in the backyard. That's where we find meteorologist Jeremy Lewan.
Hey, Scott, that was not the case earlier this afternoon. Some pretty strong downpours here in our backyard all the way down through the Poconos, and there's still some persistent rainfall. None of that is associated with Hurricane Erin. I know we're all talking about it. You're probably seeing it on social media too. Hurricane Erin is a monster of a storm. It's got a diameter of 700 miles. Its outer bands stretch from the outer banks of North Carolina all the way to Bermuda. And it's currently a Category 2 bordering Category 3 hurricane. Category 3 is 111 mile per hour sustained winds or more. So it's just 1 mile per hour shy of a Category 3 right now. It's a 5 o'clock update. And it's moving north at 14 miles per hour right now. Still expected to make this turn towards the northeast, but intensifying into a Category 3 hurricane by tomorrow afternoon. And notice that orange stripe all the way down to the Outer Banks, including halfway through the New Jersey coastline. That's a tropical storm warning, meaning that tropical storm force winds could be felt along parts of the Jersey Shore all the way down through the Delmarva Peninsula, and a lot of coastal flooding advisories too, as storm surge can push waves on land. So there are risks of rip currents and dangerous big waves, anywhere from 8 to 12 foot high waves. So imagine you're standing there in the surf. That wave would be 8 to 12 feet above you. That's why double red flags are posted all the way up and down the Jersey Shore, out the Long Island shoreline too. No swimming at all the way through Friday, as these dangerous and strong rip currents can pull you right out to sea. And there's going to be a lot of beach erosion with this storm too, causing some damage there on the Jersey Shore, as far as eating away at the coastline. Now, as the wind field approaches, it could cause wind gusts to easily exceed 40 miles per hour near Atlantic City and up through parts of the Jersey Shore. Now, here in our area, we'll feel the effects too. Anywhere from 15 to 25 mile per hour wind gusts, especially the further east you live. If you're out in Williamsport, you probably won't, you're out of range of feeling the effects of the storm. But all hurricanes in our area spin counterclockwise, so it's going to get this easterly flow of wind with some gusts up to 20, if not 25 miles per hour as we head through our day on Thursday. And then the wind field starts to push away towards the north and east, still impacting places in Connecticut and Massachusetts, but not us into Friday. And the risk for rip currents doesn't reduce until after Friday. So if you have a beach vacation planned, make sure that you wait to go in the water until it's all clear. Now there's the eye of Erin as it makes its pass towards the north and east. This current front that's over us right now, creating all of this crummy weather that we have, that's as a result of the stationary front, but it's also helping to keep Erin out to coast, slowly nudging it. It's going to get absorbed into Erin through Thursday and Friday. But even though it's creating this awful weather here, it's luckily creating enough of a force to push Erin away from the coastline so that it doesn't make direct landfall. So there's the effects of the stationary front. Lots of fog across the region. That's French Manor in Newfoundland, and parts of the Poconos, southern Wayne County, that's where Newfoundland is, parts of the Poconos too, seeing reduced visibility, about 5 mile visibility there in Mount Pocono, 7 mile visibility in Lehighton. Those rainfall amounts in some parts of Pike County, more than an inch, because of persistent bands of rain. We still have this band of rain from the stationary front over the Poconos, and some in northern Bradford and Susquehanna County. Some heavier bouts just moved through parts of Potter County too. But this will probably continue for the next few hours. And we'll also see those showers continue in the northern tier throughout the evening too. It's been cool. Temperatures in parts of Pike County did not even make it to 60 today. We're still in the upper 50s, although parts of central Pennsylvania made it up to 70. It's cooler there in the northern tier and up through northeastern Pennsylvania. And as we go through the rest of the evening tonight, some spotty showers and some sprinkles through tomorrow morning. We're going to hold on to the clouds for a large part of your Thursday. Into Thursday afternoon, we finally break out to sunshine. And Friday, we have really nice dew points. It's going to be nice and calm and cool. There's your winds. Going to definitely be impacted here in our area as a result of Erin, especially the further south and east you live. Mount Pocono, some wind gusts up to 25 miles per hour tomorrow. There's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures warming up through the weekend. Saturday looks like a fantastic day. If you have flexible weekend plans, I suggest Saturday instead of Sunday.
All right, good tip. See you tonight, Jeremy.
Yep.
Thank you.